Hi, and welcome everybody. I want to make a quick tutorial on Groq. So Groq is a new AI company that's making a lot of waves, and it's not the model by XAI by Elon Musk's company. So Groq is actually a hardware company. They're focused on making what they call language processing units. They're basically an alternative to GPUs when it comes to running AI models. But the thing that's really interesting is that it's actually really fast. So just to understand a little bit, in AI, when we talk about speed, we often talk about tokens per second. So you might be wondering, what's a token? And here I'm not talking about crypto, of course. A token, if we take it into the concept of a large language model, it's going to read text in small chunks. So they could be words, part of the word, even punctuation. And the thing that Groq is so amazing at is that it's optimized for tokens per second. It's able sometimes to do something like 800, it even broke 1,000 tokens per second. So it's really, really fast. I love Next.js, I love speed, I love Groq. So I thought maybe we could put all of it together and see how fast it is. So let's just give this a few tests here on their own UI to see how good it is. We're going to use the Llama 3 8 billion params. So let's ask it Homer Simpson for president. All right, now we hit 1,200 tokens per second. That's pretty fast. What I want to do is I basically want to use Groq as the AI provider inside my Next.js application. I'll jump into my editor here. So let's open Cursor. Really nice editor with AI features built in, by the way. So this is a brand new Next.js application. And what I did two things. So I first installed the AI package by Next.js. And I installed also the AI SDK OpenAI provider, because Groq is actually OpenAI API compatible. So everything that OpenAI does in their API is often, it sets the tone for what is a good API. So a lot of companies, they thrive on making it as close and as nice as possible to the OpenAI API. So that's why we're using this one here, because Groq is compatible. So if we go to my API route, so I'm using the app router here. I'm under API/chat, and I created my route.ts. A few things happening here. I am importing directly here create OpenAI, which is a way to create an OpenAI compatible provider. And I'm importing stream text from Vercel AI. Here, this is where we are creating our compatible OpenAI, but we're going to assign it to a variable called Groq because I want to use Groq. And this is the post function. So this is going to expose to my API a post endpoint. And it's pretty simple. In the request.json, it's going to receive a message. And I'm basically going to call stream text, and I'll send it back as a result. And the page that takes care of receiving that, and here I'm just my index page, not using anything fancy. So this is a client component. So we have the use client directive over here. And we are using the use chat hook from Vercel AI. And this wraps up all of this into one convenient hook. I don't have to set up anything else under the hood. As long as you have this chat route under your API/chat, this hook takes care of everything. So I'm just rendering here the messages, and I have an input and a form. So this is all pretty basic. Let's see what it will look like when I'm actually running this. So let's go to localhost 3000. I have here my chat box, and I will say Lisa Simpson for president. All right, and there we have it. The thing is that now you can have these really powerful models, and also Groq is free currently. So they're in beta phase, they're testing right now. So I highly encourage you to get, working with them. And they're more of a hardware company, so they're more interested into just showing people their hardware, what it can do, than like milking every, API call they do for profits. So I would highly encourage you to go and check them out. I'm going to have a link to that little repo that I created, and I'm going to add more to this. I'm going to pair this with some really cool features, future videos. So if you like this kind of, just quick video, let me know. Subscribe, of course, and please give a like to the video. Have a great evening, everybody.